Welcome to our kindergarten classroom. My name is Cassandra DeLeon and I'm a Homeworks by Precept consultant. I have 10 children and we've been homeschooling now for 15 years. This is my daughter, and Marissa, and this is her classroom. And so we're going to talk to you today about how we organized Focus on 5. Is I opened up my catalog to the Focus on 5s. You'll see what you should have received in your box for the online and for the DVDs. I ordered the online, so we'll be talking about that, but I will reference the DVDs. If I had gotten the DVD, then we would have gotten a set of DVDs, and we also would have gotten a set of parent guides. With your online order, you will get a set of reading books. Hold those. You will get a Focus on 5 work textbook. You will get a set of Focus on 5 practice book, phonics review cards, and in these phonics review cards are the alphabet and also basic service words that you will be using during the Focus on 5s class. You will also receive a video lesson guide. The video lesson guide is your lesson plans for the entire year. Starting with day 1, the video, what is going to be covered, the materials that you'll need, the textbook that you're going to be using, any assignment the child has, and anything that we as the parent need to grade. You will also receive handouts for your student. I put my handouts in a notebook. I just open the packaging, put it right in the notebook. And so these are her Focus on 5's student pages. So that is everything that you're going to that you find with your catalog. These are the parent guides and they come with the DVDs for Focus on 5s. I put them in a binder and then I labeled it Focus on 5 answer keys. And that's all I did with the parent guides. And then I put them in my bookcase. Now we're going to tell you how we organize our Focus on 5s. Emil, can you pull the drawer?
Sure.
Get the bucket out. We bought one of these buckets at Walmart. So we have this. File folders, and I have one for every day of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and even Saturday. I also have a file folder that says alphabet, cards, and phonics characters, and that's all I have. And then what I do is every week I go to the video lesson guide and I open it up. Already has it set up for 5 days, which for us is our school week. And so then I go to the first day and it tells me what pages I need. I just tear them out of my work text page and my phonics practice book. And if I need a book for that day, I'll put a book. I will put it in that color folder. And she knows that every Monday it's a red folder. So with its one has her day 5 in it, because it has her reading book and her work text page. The only thing she needs to get that day is this folder. After I organize everything for the week, I don't need these for the entire week anymore. So I put them in here at the bottom of my bucket. And then the reading books, we don't need these that week because if I needed it, I would have put it in my folder, file folder. So those go in here. And then we put all of these folders back in here, like this, right? Emma?
Yep.
So every morning she can do this herself. She opens up the bucket, she takes the lid off, and she gets the day that she needs. And I always put the right one on top so she can get it herself. If you're not doing the math, you would just put your Focus on 5s, but if you do the math, I would recommend you put the math and Focus on 5s in here. If you do the Bible, then you put your Bible in here. And then at the end of the day, when she's done with these pages, she doesn't put them back in this folder. Where do you put them? She has another folder, and this says, this is the week we're on, it says week 1. So she always puts the pages that she finishes in this folder. So at the end of the week, all 5 days are in this folder, then we're going to file this away as week 1. Then the next week we'll have another one that says week 2. And she can do this herself independently because every week we get it organized. Now, let's put it all away so we have it for next time. She's all ready for school.